My name is Aisha and I'm studying mechatronics engineering at RMIT. I never really thought of electrical as a field that I would enjoy. Both my mum and my dad are engineers. I grew up with a lot of just like terminology and that kind of stuff around me. Personally for me in year 8, I did struggle with the unit a lot. Some people just aren't learners of writing down notes. And for me, I'm a very physical learner. Like I need to have the product in front of me. I need to be able to play around with it. And the STELR program really actually helped me do that because I'd be connecting things and it wouldn't work. And I'd be like, oh, and then I'd switch it around. And then suddenly the turbine's moving and the sun's catching electricity and it's just like, whoa. Each week would have a different energy resource. One week we had wind turbines, the other week we had solar panels. We'd learn about how that motion can be converted into energy. I showed my dad and he was amazed. He was like, wow, like, you know, they're actually getting you to do practical stuff at this young age. And so STELR really helps me by making it into a more fun project, into activities that I could do as a group and activities that I could, you know, have fun with and still learn at the same time. And by learning about those kind of things, it really pushed me to go, oh, maybe electricity should be one of the things that is on my radar. What I'm studying right now is going to inevitably help future generations. And I really thank the STELR program for that, since they ignited my interest in renewable energies and renewable resources. It's a really new perspective in how to learn and how to understand all these renewable resources, renewable energies and how they come about. And I think it's just a really great program to go through.